Ever found yourself in a pinch, needing to work with a supplier who doesn't have a food safety certification? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we'll discuss effective strategies to manage and mitigate risks when working with non-certified suppliers. First and foremost, establish a robust supplier approval process. Clearly define your food safety expectations and communicate them upfront. Request detailed documentation on their food safety practices, even if they don't have an official certification. Next, conduct a thorough on-site audit. This on-the-ground inspection will help you evaluate their safety protocols firsthand. Look for critical control points and gauge their overall cleanliness and organization. Another great step is to implement a supplier quality agreement. This legally binding document outlines each party's responsibilities and expectations regarding food safety. It's an extra layer of assurance and accountability. Consider regular testing of incoming products. Have a routine check to ensure they meet your food safety standards. This can help you catch potential issues before they affect your end products. Lastly, establish a strong relationship with your supplier. Regular communication and cooperation can significantly improve their food safety practices over time. Offer guidance, resources, and support to help them get certified. Managing suppliers without food safety certification can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Need expert help? Book a strategy call with us today or give us a call at 1-236-513-2488. We're here to help you navigate these tricky waters and ensure your business remains safe and compliant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more essential tips on food safety. Got questions about managing your suppliers? Reach out to us anytime.